All right, let's get you your full forecast now. And Nick, you were saying it's not just snow and sleet out there right now.
Yeah, there's something that we had, especially at the onset of the precipitation, called graupel. It looks like Dippin' Dots. Have you guys ever had Dippin' Dots?
Yeah, the little round,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, delicious. But it's basically when supercooled liquid covers a snowflake, and they're more like little dots that fall from the sky. So we had a bit of that here today too. And we're starting to see some signs of possible accumulation, at least in the grass. Let me take you out to the domain from our Indeed weather camera. Look at the right-hand side of your screen there. The grassy surfaces look like they've got a little bit of a light coating on them already. The road looking more wet than white, which is a good sign. Of course, roads that are in contact with the ground are going to have the heat from the ground to at least delay any accumulation on the road. But it's the bridges, the elevated surfaces, the overpasses, the flyovers that have the cold both below and above that cool more quickly, and that's why they're more likely to freeze and ice up here tonight. So the precipitation coverage has been ramping up quite a bit over the last few hours. Still not everybody dealing with wintry weather just yet, especially a good chunk of the hill country still dry, but we're seeing that snow and sleet mixture in the metro and our eastern counties, and you can see it's fairly widespread in Travis and Williamson counties too, and our eastern counties where, as we mentioned, expecting the highest accumulation amounts. Farther south, more of a sleet and freezing rain mixture closer to San Antonio, and then south of that, more like rain. But for us, we'll be dancing the line here between sleet and snow most of the night. And the coverage continues to ramp up, and likely the intensity too. And those of you dealing with some sleet mixing in with the snow will probably see a flip over to more snow than sleet as we get to midnight and beyond, and still some rather steady snow falling at 3, 4, and 5 in the morning. We think this starts to taper off as we get closer to dawn. This is 6 in the morning, just some leftover snow showers at that point. And then from 7 onward, we're just talking about a few leftover flurries or a stray snow shower. So most of this is done by the time you wake up. And then the clouds clearing through the day should allow for some afternoon sun and for some melting as well. So in another way, you can see the coverage going up here. It's scattered now to numerous overnight, with the heaviest falling between about midnight and 4, and then it starts to drop off a little at 5, and then much more so by 7, and then we think we'll be drying out by the end of the morning, if not sooner than that. As far as the temperatures go, yes, we're below freezing now, and we're going to stay that way through 8 in the morning, 10 in the morning. Finally, by noon, we're above freezing, and you can see we climb into the upper 30s in the afternoon. So that, combined with some sunshine, should help to melt any of the standing iciness or snow that accumulates here tonight, at least in the areas we want it to melt, like overpasses and bridges. So we're thinking the travel later in the day tomorrow should be improving as that melting happens with a high of 38. Just a 20% chance of additional snow after the sun rises. So you can sum up and say a 20% chance of snow after 7 a.m. Still going with a coating to 1 inch for most of us, including all of the Austin metro. That may mean that you end up with near an inch of snow and sleet by the time you wake up. Just a few flurries in the northwestern hill country, and still expecting the higher amounts of 1 to 2 inches, and possibly slightly higher than that just east of our area by the time you wake up here tomorrow morning. This is not a huge snowfall, but it does not take much here to cause some travel issues, as we've already seen in some spots here tonight. High temperatures will keep warming, 47 Wednesday, 50s Thursday and Friday, but we still have some bone-chilling nights ahead. In fact, Wednesday may be the coldest morning of this whole week, and we're still below freezing Thursday and Friday morning. And then after Friday morning, we start seeing our nighttime temperatures getting above freezing as well. Back in the 60s Saturday with a 10% rain chance, those chances up to 30% Sunday, and down to 20% Monday as we drop out of the mid-60s into the upper 50s.